Today we are at Savannah at Red Point in Summerlin off of 215 and Far Hills Avenue. So if you guys are looking for any new build communities, this is one that you should definitely take a look at. Let's go. Welcome home to Savannah in Summerlin. This community is a modern single-story community. They range anywhere between 3 and 4 beds, 2 to 3 full baths, 2 to 3 half baths, and the square footage is between 1981 to 2,574 square feet with 2 to 3 garages. Just letting you guys know, there is 170 homes in this community with 20 left for sale. So if you guys plan on looking for any new builds, this is one to take a look at. This community is also built by Taylor Morrison. Now, if you guys are planning on coming to the Summerlin area, this is a great community to be in. Come on in. Let's walk in. Here's some pretty high ceilings as you walk in. Now, towards the left, you have this little section right here where you can put some art wall. And let's walk down this hallway. And to the left, there's another section of this house. I'll show you guys that later. Let's continue moving forward. And we're here now in the living space area. To the left is the kitchen. Very nice size. This is a very open concept feel in this area. Right here is your dining area. You have a lot of art on the wall that you can put on. You can have a little table section right here with some art display. Here's another look from this corner of the room, so you guys can see how spacious this home is. Now let's walk towards the kitchen. Right in front, you have 4 bar stool seatings, a fairly large island in the middle. Okay, this is a quartz countertop, nicely done with the contrast. You can tell that it's a pretty moody concept. The brown cabinets with the black island. Okay, right here to the left, you have your 5-top cook burner, large spacious counter space. Refrigerator won't be included with this home plan. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this concept, guys. It's large pantry room for all you chefs out there who love that. Now we walk into the living room. All right. Here's a look from this corner of the home. Now remember, this is a Taylor Morrison build. This is the first Taylor Morrison I've seen. Feels very luxurious in here. Modern dining table right here. Here's another look from this corner. Guys, if you guys find value in any of these home tours on the channel, please let me know. Subscribe to the channel. Here's the primary bedroom. Pretty high ceilings. And let's continue walking. Okay, and this room actually has carpet in here. Let me give you guys a look from this corner of the room. Okay, this is a very large room. You will have the pre-wired fan up on the ceiling. And here's your primary bath. It does come with a dual sinks, dual high high ceilings. Okay, and then you have a separate shower, and you have a separate tub. This is your stand-up walk-in shower. Here's a look from this corner. You have the ceramic tiles, the 12 by 24s as well. Nice finishes that they've used. Okay, you have the undermount sink. You have a brass finish faucet. Here's your toilet. Here's another look from this corner. And here is the walk-in closet. A lot of space in here, guys. Walk-in closet will have carpet as well. Now let's walk back towards the main living room. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you guys are always informed whenever I do any of these home tours. Okay, we're walking towards the front of the house, and we're gonna make a right. And right here is your half bath. You have your single sink, you have your cabinets, your toilet, mirror as well. And here's your laundry room. Okay, washer dryer won't be included. Here's another room, which is a bonus room that they have as an option. It's pretty small, but right now it's being used as a public bathroom. Pretty sure that's going to be knocked out to use as a bedroom. Okay, let's continue forward. And then right when you enter the house to the right, you have one of your bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. Carpeted as well. So a standard bedroom with your closet, window. Here's another look from this corner. Then you have those can lighting on top. Let's walk across down this hallway. Have nice natural light coming in from those windows. Here's your full bath, single sink, toilet, and you have a stand-up shower. A lot of natural light coming in this home. And you have a tub with that as well. I like the flooring that they use for this home. And here is bedroom number 2. All right, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.